Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my new vlog. And for this vlog is I just want to share with you that the other day is I meet Italiana na woman, and I just meet her in the street, in the roads when my baby and I we went go out and we going to the park. So I meet Italiano woman and we become friends, and her name is Desiree. Oh, Desiree. And she is like 70 years old. So she can walk very well and very talkative. And it's so nice because when I meet Italian woman, she's very like us very good and very talkative with me because of my baby. Because my baby, every time we going to the park, there's someone that stop to us like talking to my baby because my baby very friendly. It's always been say hi, doing like this. My baby hi, in everybody. So when there is someone going past by in our um where we are, and then um there's this woman is stop by and talking to my baby and say hi. Uh, so we become friends. So that time that me and my baby we walking the roads and we pass by on the school, like kindergarten school, because the park is more than a little bit far in the kindergarten. So the park where we're going is like it's like next of the school of kindergarten. So this woman I met there. So we stopped by and we stopped for at the moment. We stop at the moment, and then this woman is very talkative, and then we introduce each other, we talking each other, and then Italiano. We speak Italiano, no English because she's speaking Italiano, and and I said, what is your name? I said, come ti chiami? And she said, sono Desiree. And then me too. I said, sono Mary Jane. And then means I am Mary Jane. And then we're talking also, piacere di conoscerti. So piacere di conoscerti means nice to meet you. So and then we are keep talking and talking until she's sharing about her family, her brother and sister, and how many brother and sister she has. And she asking me also how many brother and sister I have. So I telling, and I have five brother and no sister, and she's you know how many brother and sister she has, like eight sister and three brothers. The two sisters live in the California, USA, and then the mother no more already. The mother is she don't have mother and dad already, and she's sharing about her life, and it's such a blessing that I know her because she's really open minded. No, she is open for me, and I open also with her, and she's very talkative, and we hug each other. And then until she bring us to go to the park, where my baby we went go. So me and my baby go to the park, and she also come with us to go to the park. And then until we arrive in the park, and we swing my baby. I swing my baby because my baby loves swing. In Italiano is like antalina, swing. In Cebuano is duyan. While I'm doing a swing to my baby, and she kept talking and talking, and she said to me, my baby is very simpatico, means simpatico, means very good boy, very friendly, my baby. And yeah, I am very happy that I meet Italian woman and we speak Italiano, which is good for me also. And I speak with her in Italian. Actually, I did a video, but the problem my video I did because is not good also because my camera it was go down the view. I put something belt to do a vlog, the one I have, but I was wrong to put my camera position because my camera is going down, so not showing the view. I was walking, me and baby, I was walking going to the park, but using with my phone that I do put my phone like this and using this one. I show you. I'm using this one. a belt. I was doing a vlog and I'm using this one when me and baby going to the park, and then the problem is I did a mistake to put the position of my camera while I'm walking. So I delete the video. Supposedly you can hear the voice that we're talking about Italiano. We're speaking Italiano. But I delete the video because the view is not good because the camera is going down. So I delete the video. So normally I just find out to also how to use this kind of things for vlogging when I going around, go out and put my phone over here to do vlog. The problem is I was doing mistake I using this one for the first time because the camera is going down. So that's why I delete the video. Yeah, going back to the woman, Italian woman that I met, I'm very happy I have friend. Even though she's very old, like 70 years old, but she's very talkative. I am very happy to have a friend like that because to become with me a matured also to talk, how to talk, formal ways to talk with the old woman. And she's very talkative and she's walking very well and she's very thin. She's very thin, no? She's like super thin. And then very good woman, and she share her life, she share her brother, she's sharing with me about her mother and father, where came from, where she came from. She's sharing with me also. So I'm also sharing part part of my story also. My brother, my mom, I married Italiano guy, and I am Filipina. But we speaking Italian. But I was doing mistake because I did not take a picture with her. Oh my God, because my phone is empty battery. Because came from my house going to the park. I was doing a vlog using this one because I wanna try this one to do vlog while I'm walking using this one. And then my phone is empty battery, so I have no time to take a picture with her. I want to take a picture with her because I want to have remembrance from her that I met her in the on the street, and then we are become friends. We hugging each other. Until then, after we staying in the park, me and my baby going to Co-op supermarket, and she bring us again. She come with us again. Where is the stoplight, and then we go other side because for her she need to go to her house, going back home, and me and maybe be going to the school of supermarket, and then she come with us. Then when there is a stoplight, then that's the time we stop and we separating where we going because she going back home, me I going to the co-op supermarket, and we say goodbye and we hugging each other. We hug each other because guys, all Italy. I think Italian is like same a Filipino, very very friendly. Di ba in Italian is like bacio, it means bisu-bisu. When you say goodbye, bye-bye, bisu-bisu, or hugging each other, that's Italian. But Filipino also, when you say bye-bye, we hugging, bisu-bisu, like bacio-bacino here on the cheeks. And yeah, it's look like the same. Italiano and in also Filipino, it's like the same how they saying bye bye or goodbye. That's Italiano. So yeah, I'm very happy I met Italian woman, and she's very friendly. I'm super happy and I'm blessed. So it's good that I will speak Italiano also. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. I just want to share with you the day what's happening when me and my baby going to the park, and I meet Italian woman. So thank you for watching, my dear friends. Please don't forget to likes and heart and subscribe and follow my Facebook MG Bibs Baril, and my YouTube channel MG Bibs Baril. Thank you for watching, and God bless you everyone. Bye bye.